How to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. So let's get started. In order to upgrade your Spotify Premium on iPhone, you cannot do it via your Spotify app. So you will have to go to any web browser and search for the spotify.com in the search address bar. Once you search for the spotify.com, you will be navigated to the Spotify website where you can easily see Get Premium option available in the top. Tap on the Get Premium option available there and you'll be presented with various Spotify Premium plans such as Premium Individual, Premium Family, Premium Duo and Premium Student. Go through each and every plans and select the plan that best suits your need. You can simply review the details of the plan you selected including pricing and features and tap on Start Free Trial or Subscribe to proceed. Then all you have to do is enter your payment information and follow the prompts to confirm your purchase. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.